Tell me what you see. And now? Okay, that's really disturbed. So I have 2 points I'll try to make with this video. First off, yes, you can get great photos from your backyard, your neighborhood, or in the middle of a city. But if you want more variety, if you want to challenge yourself, then you have to step away from the crowd and turn your camera in the other direction. If you love colors and quietness, you can always come to Burano. Now, let's go do it. So long for now. Tell me what you see. And now? What a good boy.